Hey guys, Zons04. I'm back in my studio. A laundry room on top of the washing machine. Pretty glamorous, isn't it? So in this video, I'm going to bring you Rattle Reels. The best competitive options on the market currently. This is just a personal opinion, so bear with me. I wanted distinct rattle reel noises, so that's why I have 3 different kinds. And let me walk you through why I'm doing it this way. So let's say you have a fish house, you have 6 holes, and if you set 2 of these guys in the front, we'll go through the rings. And I could not find videos with the actual rings and jingles, which I wanted them to be unique as possible. Okay, back to this. Let's say these, you have 2 of the productive alternative made in Fergus Falls rattle reels in the front. So as soon as you hear that bell tone, you'll know it's the front rattle reel, right? Simple. Same thing, I would put 2 of these in the midpoint, and the ultimate outdoor rattle reels would be, let's say, in the tail end of the fish house, or away from the V if you have a V style fish house. So what do we have here? Let me clear the deck for you, and just give me a second. Alright, so this is the rattle reel made by Productive Alternatives, Fergus Falls. They have multiple versions of this. They have, cheap plastic ones. They have, I don't even know what kind of, it's like MDF type style, and a chunk of oak maybe right here in the back. But what I wanted to show you is the ring. And I like this little knob right here. It's the tension knob. All you have to do is tighten it down, and it controls the smoothness of the wheel. Very smooth. I have nothing wrong with it. I've used this to catch a lot of fish before. So once again, Productive Alternative. Let's see if I need to focus. All right. Productive Alternative, Fergus Fall, rattle reel, wheel. And the cool thing about this one is 1 revolution equals a foot in length. So you can drop it down at the bottom, give it one revolution or half a revolution, and you get, 1 foot or 6 inches. All right, cool. Next, we will roll in. Here is the very popular catch cover Rattlesnake. So mind you, this thing is enormous. I mean, it's gigantic. It's probably a footprint of about a foot, maybe 10 inches to a foot long. Same concept where you have 1 turn equals a foot, so very similar thought process here. Both are made in the US. Minnesota, also Minnesota. Pretty cool, right? Alright, let me go grab one. In the back it comes with a little adapter plate, so you can slide in the little connector into the adapter plate. So when you're not using it, you can remove it. Adapter plate, and all you have to do is slide, and it locks. It's not a super secure lock, but it's not going to be an issue. And they have cup holders, rod holders, cell phone holders, I think. You'll have to check their website out and see what they got. So, the noise. Similar tensioning knob. It's made out of nylon. And unwind. And let's reel. All very loud and distinct, right? Which is good. As you can tell, I removed the screw out of here, because what I've noticed when you're talking balancing and you have it sitting over a hole and there's any type of weight, it starts to pull towards this handle or knob. Same goes for that one up there. It's just a balancing thing. So I tried to minimize the weight that this thing and a screw and a little piece of plastic. I removed it. So once again, catch cover Rattlesnake. Here's the sound. Super loud. You'll definitely wake up to that. All right, I'll roll this super cheap one in. Sits on top of usually a bucket of some sort. Kind of slip it on, and here's a noise. Yep. Not as loud, right? I think they're glass beads, but does the same job. Here is the cat's meow, the ultimate outdoor rattle reel, not wheel, reel. Yeah, this is where I get a little confused. This is a R-E-E-L. Okay, here we go. Let me zoom up on this a little bit. So you have the point where this end sits on top of against the wall. 2 screws, sits in this little rubber grommet. Pretty simple. And you have this tensioner nut right there that allows you to, here's the noise. Very distinct from all the other bells. Has the cool UO cutouts. And that little knob, if I were to tighten it down, it gets pretty dang slow. So pretty sweet, huh? Anyways, this is, from a price point standpoint, $40. They have all these cool pattern ones for another $10-15 more. I believe these are about $17-18 when I say these, this. And those are hovering anywhere around the $10 to $12. I believe I paid $7 for this guy. Hopefully you guys find this informative. When I was searching, I wanted distinct noises because when you're sleeping, they always bite at the worst time possible. Essentially when you're sleeping. Deeply sleeping. So if your brain can differentiate all the noises between the rattle reels, you'll know which one to go to. So, hope you guys find that informative, helpful. Smash the like button. 2 thumbs up, and comments below if you have any more questions. Have a good night.